My name's Estelle Ducharme, and I found out about Storm Division when Chris Souser came to do some work on our lawnmower that needed some repairs. And in the course of conversation with him, we found out that they were expanding their services to include some home repair, which we also needed. It was a very easy and seamless process. We originally asked for gutter repair, and in the course of preparing to do that job, they noticed that we had some storm damage from a recent tornado, and so we expanded our the work that we planned to have done to include replacement of that roof. But the process was seamless. They were especially helpful in advocating for us with the insurance company, and they were up to date on all of the Howard County changes in code, so that the roof that we ended up with was actually not just a replacement of the roof that we had before, but a big improvement, so that I think that with the ice guards and everything that we have in place now, this roof will last longer than the last one. We paid for the gutter portion of the job. We didn't pay a single penny for the roof, which was beyond what we expected. And even though the insurance did not cover the ice guards, didn't have ice guards originally, so they weren't damaged by the storm, we still didn't have to pay for those, and that was a pleasant surprise for us. We are 100% happy. There is nothing about the process or the quality of the work was really well done. The company was reliable. They were here every time they said that they were going to be here. They got finished in a record time. We are really pleased with how fast the job was completed and with how well it was done, and it looks beautiful. Without any reservations at all. I think I'd be doing them a favor, because we were so pleased with the work and with the way that it was done.